Welcome back, and let's populate our purlins alongside the cleats. So I've already selected the purlins. So let me just right click and come to special copy here. And just this time around, I will not use special copy. I'll just use copy. So I want to copy this right from and snap right from the middle of that cleat. And I want to apply the same thing here. And I'll place it right there. And I'll close that. I'll move to the second purlin, and I'm going to place another purlin here. I'll place another purlin right there, and I'll go here and place another purlin here. I'll place another purlin there, and I'll go and place another purlin right here. Perfect. So we have the purlins on the other end. So there's an error that we've just done, and it's also okay because I've noted we've not laid the cleats as it is to follow the slope. So we'll have to mirror all this on the other end, leaving out this one here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do exactly that. So since this selection is active, I'm going to select all this. I'm going to select all that. Though it will be a long selection, a selection that will take a lot of time, and I will just request you to bear with me. I'm going to select all the purlins like that. Select all the purlins. Select the purlins like that, and select the purlins like that. Perfect. Perfect. So I have purlins in place, but the cleats have been left out, and that should not be a major issue here, because you'll move step by step until you get the concept here. Let me get something selected there, and this one will leave out because it is already on the other end. So just for better practice, we'll just have to select all the purlins, all the cleats here. Just select the cleats. We have all the cleats selected so that we copy everything on the other end. We don't leave anything behind, but balls will follow along. And let me just select on that. And so that when we invoke the copy command or the mirror command, we'll have everything already selected. Let me press Control and select on that. Press Control and select on that. And this one also have to pick and add this one also into that selection. And I'll add this one also into that selection. Zoom out, zoom in until you reach a point where all the selections, all the component that you intend to copy or mirror on the other end has been copied. Let me select on that, zoom out, and select that and that. We're almost there. We just be patient enough so that we copy everything on the other end. Select the purlins. It's a very small structure, so that this way, this workflow should not be something harder to do. Suppose it is a huge structure. If you follow this, it will take a little bit longer. But since it is a smaller structure, it's a non-issue. So if I right-click and come to Special Copy here and pick on Mirror, and since my mirror is still intact, I'll be able to run and copy that everything on the other end plus the cleats. So if I turn that round like that, I'll be able to see my cleats are here with me and everything is in place. So my variegator will be fixed right at the center here, right at the center there. So if we switch back to that height, you'll be able to see this is where my gutter will be placed. This beam will provide some seating for it, so that whenever there is an overflow of water, the valley gutter will not sag at all, because it will be supported with this. It will be sitting right on top of this beam. Now you can see we have the purlins running all the way. Purlins running all the way. So this far end we have not added because the distance, this is 5 meters from the center of the rafter to the center of this rafter. So from here to here, to the edge of this frame or girder is 4 meters. So that is easy to do, and I'll double click on a 3D view, and we'll customize that on the next presentation. And it is as simple as it is, and we can hide most of the things, or come and change the view here at A, and you can see how the view looks like. If you come to 5, you can see how the view looks like. If you come to that, it's perfect. And let's be done. And as we go further in, as we continue detailing this simple structure, though there are so many workflows, and this is just one of them for simple structure that doesn't need so much details. So bye bye, and let's meet then.